What if Toyota just brought back one of the most beautiful cars ever made and turned it into a modern super coupe? This is the 2027 Toyota 2000 GT, and it might be the boldest comeback of the decade. In this video, we're taking a full visual deep dive into the all-new 2000 GT. From its razor-thin LED lighting to its futuristic cockpit. And stay with me, because there's one design detail inside this car that completely changes how we think about classic sports cars. The original Toyota 2000 GT from the late 1960s was Japan's first true supercar. Long hood, short rear, pure proportions. It was rare, elegant, and ahead of its time. Now, nearly 60 years later, Toyota reimagines that icon for 2027. But instead of copying the past, they've done something smarter. They've captured the spirit and wrapped it in a body that feels modern, clean, and almost concept car level sharp. The first thing you notice is the stance. Low, wide, confident. This car doesn't shout, it stares. Look at the front. The nose is smooth and sculpted, with ultra-thin horizontal LED headlights stretching across both sides. They almost form a single light blade, giving the car a futuristic presence without looking over-designed. The Toyota badge sits cleanly in the center, subtle but proud. Below it, the lower intake is wide and functional, framed by sharp air channels that give the car an aggressive edge. No fake vents, no clutter, just clean performance design. From the side, the proportions are what make this car special. A long hood that stretches forward like a grand touring machine. A compact cabin pushed slightly rearward. And a fastback roofline that flows into muscular rear haunches. The red metallic paint enhances every curve. Under sunlight, the body lines glow. The black multi-spoke wheels sit perfectly inside the arches, giving it a planted, athletic look. This is the kind of profile that makes you stop scrolling. And then the rear. Clean, minimal, powerful. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, split into sharp horizontal elements that glow bright red. Toyota lettering is centered and bold. No oversized spoiler, no exaggerated diffuser, just timeless design with modern execution. This car feels like it belongs in a museum and on a mountain road. But here's the real question. Is this just a design exercise? Or is Toyota serious about making this a true driver's machine? Because beautiful cars are everywhere. Iconic cars are rare. So what makes this different? Step inside and everything changes. The cabin blends heritage and high-tech in a way few brands can pull off. The dashboard stretches wide and horizontal, wrapped in rich materials with wood trim accents, a subtle nod to the original 2000 GT's handcrafted interior. In front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster, sharp and performance-focused. The center display flows seamlessly across the dashboard, showing navigation, performance data, and drive modes in a clean, modern layout. You can see Sport Plus mode active, boost percentage, horsepower readouts, even G-force indicators. This isn't just a retro tribute, It's built for serious driving. The steering wheel is compact and thick with precise controls. The center console features tactile knobs and metallic switches, giving you that mechanical connection that so many modern cars have lost. And here's that detail I mentioned earlier: the way the digital interface integrates performance data directly into the design language of the car. It doesn't feel like a tablet stuck on a dash. It feels engineered into the experience. That's the difference between trendy and timeless. The 2027 Toyota 2000 GT isn't trying to be loud. It's not overloaded with wings or dramatic angles. Instead, it brings back elegance to the sports car world. It respects its heritage without copying it. It embraces technology without overwhelming you. And visually, it feels like a bridge between classic Japanese craftsmanship and modern performance ambition. If Toyota actually brings this to production as shown here, this won't just be a new model, it will be a statement. A reminder that beauty, balance, and precision still matter. If you love modern sports cars with real heritage, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting upcoming cars of 2027 and beyond. And share this video with someone who still believes design matters. The legend started in the 1960s. In 2027, it returns. Sharper, cleaner, and more focused than ever. This is the new Toyota 2000 GT.